Okay, very excited about this. Just got the ECM Elektronika Espresso Machine. It's the programmable espresso machine, and I'm just going to do an unboxing. So here it is, double boxed. Just going to quickly get it out because no messing around. Just this thing. These are the accessories. What do you get with it? Okay. Get the. This is what it looks like. It's the manual there. User manual. If you want to connect it up to the mains water, you can do that here. I'm not going to do it with this. These lovely portafilters. They are pretty weighty. This is the single one, and then double over here. Lovely, really nice, and they're very heavy. So they're beautiful. Part of the reason that I went for the ECM brand is because of the kind of workmanship and the good quality, the excellent serviceability according to many of the videos. Little brush, tamper. Not going to use that, obviously. I'll put that back in. We've got the blind basket for back flushing. Nice little shot glass there. And here we've got a lovely drip tray. It's really nice and shiny. Lovely. I'm going to take that off in a minute. So there's that. We'll put that over here for the moment. So that's all in that box. Get that out of the way. Now for the main attraction, so to speak. Let's get this. There you go. Right. Packaging is pretty good. Very thick packaging. And here's the main machine. I'm going to lift it out over here. This could be a challenge. I'm gonna get okay. Here we go. Oh, that is pretty heavy. So, there we go. Lovely. So, move this out of the way. That's everything in the box, nothing else left in there. So this is the ECM Elektronika out of the box. As you saw, you got the drip tray which comes with it in the box. They're all nice. I've taken the plastic off now. You've got the two portafilters, single and double, with the single and double baskets in there. You've got obviously the user manual, if you want to connect it to your water mains, you've got that cable there, you've got a brush, the blind filter for backflowing, and the shot glass. And that's all that comes in the box. Now, why did I get this machine? Well, first of all, look at how beautiful it is and how shiny. You can see this one compared to the other machine, the Rancilio Silvia, which is what I started with. You can see the difference in the polish. This is much more polished, and that's kind of a brushed chrome finish. So I went for the Elektronika out of all of the different machines available, is because of the, well, actually I firstly chose the brand that I wanted to buy from. So ECM was the brand that I wanted to get because of the quality of workmanship and the finish. I also wanted levers rather than twisting the sort of rotary knobs for the steam and the water. Just preferred that. Now, the Elektronika's a little bit more expensive than kind of equivalent machines, mainly because of the finish, but also because of the programmable dosing. So you can get dual boiler machines. This is a heat exchanger. You can get dual boilers for, you know, similar price, but you know, I only make a few coffees a day at most, so I didn't need the power of a dual boiler. And what I did want was the convenience of the programmable buttons. So I started with the Rancilio Silvia, which is a great machine, but the downside is that it's a single boiler, and I like flat whites, milk-based espressos. So sorry, milk-based coffee drinks. And with the Silvia, I have to wait 90 seconds for the milk to heat. For the steam to get up to temperature after pulling my shot. So, and you know, when my wife wants a drink or friends want a drink, it just becomes quite slow. So no problem with the machine at all. So I wanted to go from that really to really fast. You know, I could have a manual machine, but you know, I really like to weigh my shots, and you know, with this, I should be able to minimise the amount of, you know, time that it takes to make it, and also, you know, when I'm steaming, I don't have to worry about it if I've set these correctly. I'm still going to weigh to see that I've got the right amount out, but I just wanted the convenience of having pre-programmed. I can still do manual as well, so I just wanted that option. Yeah, if you're interested, I got this from Bella Barista with a grinder as well, a package deal. I originally went for the Atom Speciality 65, but actually that's a kind of, I found that it's not a great machine, great grinder for you know, single dose grinding. So as I said, I only make 1 or 2 or 3 coffees a day, and so I often weigh out the beans. As you can see, the hopper on here is empty, and I often just weigh out what I need for that coffee or coffees. So I just thought that actually, rather than go for the Atom Speciality 65, I went for the I do like the Eureka brand, by the way. I went for the Eureka Specialita, which is a much cheaper grinder, but 55mm burrs. These have got 50, I think, so it's a little bit of a step up. And also on the Specialita, I've got much easier time dosing as well. So so Bella Barista put together a nice package for me. I've got this, and I've got a few accessories as well. I must give a shout out to Bella Barista, that's bellabarista.co.uk. They've been excellent in the process, and like I said, I initially ordered the Speciality 65, the Atom Eureka grinder, and it was on pre-order because they didn't have any stock, and when I asked to change to the Specialita, there were no problems at all. And actually I wanted this really quickly, and they were very accommodating to that as well. So thank you to them. That's it. I'll be back with some videos showing obviously trying out the new Elektronika. I'm sort of starting off on my coffee journey, especially on YouTube. And if you want to join me, then do so, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications when I post a new video. Like, subscribe, share if you feel the need. Thank you. However,